Hey everyone, I just thought I'd show you the unboxing of my latest Stampin' Up order. I'm a little bit excited because it's quite a big box of goodies. Let's see what we've got inside. Get rid of that fancy cushion packaging. Biodegradable, so before you freak out about the amount of plastic, it's pretty good. Okay, so what have I got? Ooh, cottage wreaths. This is really pretty. I'm pretty keen to get some Christmas cards going with this one. Window wishes. This is a set that you can make a beautiful little welcome home or a nice Christmas, but it's also got Christmas card, but it's also got these beautiful wreaths to go around the what do you call it, the window, which I think is going to be in here somewhere. Yeah, the window dies that actually go with this one, so that'll be really cool to try. Oh, there's the cottage wreaths, has some dies that go with that as well, so that's going to be pretty fabulous to play with. These were my freebie, so I got these for free because I ordered one of the bundles for World Card Making Day, which is on the 1st of October. If you want to join, you can actually register to attend the event. Just go to my page to register to do that. Super simple and it's free. Masking paper, that's going to be our used in our class next month. Glue, because you can never have too much glue. Glue dots, because you can never have too much of those either. What have we got in here? Oh, I needed some new Stamparatus magnets. If you haven't got your Stamparatus yet, the Christmas stuff, you're going to need one. So hop on and go have a look at that. Cardstock. Can you see what colour it is? You probably can tell it's Pacific Point. It's nice and bright. I've got some little peekaboo treat bags here. Now these are really cute. Let me just open one of these so you can see. So this has got a little window or a little peekaboo, as the name would suggest. See here? It's just got a little... Oh, I can't get in. You can never get in when you're trying to open something when you're online. Okay, so you can see through there. Can you see my short little fingers just sticking through? So that's a nice, I think that's going to make some neighbour gifts or perhaps even some gifts for work friends for Christmas. New Stays On, jet black. Love my Stays On, especially at this time of year because I like to stamp on non-porous surfaces, so I like to stamp on glass to make Christmas decorations. I've got some vellum cardstock here. There's lots of sheets in this pack. How many sheets? There's 20 sheets of vellum in there, so that's going to make some pretty Christmas stuff as well. Got the most beautiful Pear Pizzazz, one of my favorite greens. I don't know about you guys, but I love that one. Some more shimmery white. I like to use shimmery white for watercolor, so it takes the water really well. I'm not a fan of using a lot of watercolor paper, so a shimmery white works really well for me. Basic white cardstock, of course, because it's your basic, it's your go-to, can't do without that. Painted Christmas DSP. I'm so excited that this is in this year's mini catalogue. We had it last year, and you may remember that I used a lot of this in my 12 weeks of Christmas projects. I just can't get enough of it. It's so beautiful. This is a new one this year. This is Boughs of Holly. Oh my gosh, that's made me think of Holly, of Holly Dog. Those of you that know me know that we had a Holly Dog. I'm just going to open this up carefully so I can show you. Because it's really beautiful. As the name suggests, look how gorgeous are those poinsettias. And you've got, oh, how nice is that on the back? Oh my gosh. This is a really pretty paper. It's got a beautiful feel to it actually. Oh my goodness me, could it get any better? How gorgeous are these? Oh, love them. Oh, that's really nice. There's a lot of texture in that one. Very pretty. Sorry, I'm having trouble separating the sheets here. Trees. There's lots of trees in our stamp sets. Lots of leafy stamp sets and things this year. So that's quite nice for those backgrounds. Another pretty, that's reminiscent of Painted Christmas. Absolutely love that. And more poinsettias. And then a good blend of reds and greens. I think that's got some shaded spruce in there as well. That's really nice, isn't it? Yep, in fact it is shaded spruce. There you go. So that's the Boughs of Holly DSP. Of course, Christmas demands some nice bits of extra sparkle, and these are the what do you call them? They're calling them enamel effects. So it's like a glitter glue, so it's going to give some texture, and you're going to be able to use that to add embellishments and some dimension to your projects. More of the rustic metallic dots, because again, these are really good for all sorts of cards, but I really like them on the more masculine cards. I've got some Snowfall Accents puff paint, because I'm going to be doing trees, as I said before. And of course, the last thing that you just can't do without is grid paper. You know, when I do my classes, you will get big pieces of grid paper to work on, and I've run out. So very happy with that. So thanks for watching. That's today's little unboxing video, and now I'm going to go and pack all my bits, well, put all my bits away so that I can start playing with my new toys. See you soon. Bye for now.